Alright, I have a 2020 Chevy Camaro LT1 here. Just got done doing a paint correction and 5-year ceramic coating through Gtechnic. I have a couple pictures of before I did anything. So I mean, the car's brand new, but it didn't have this much gloss. Now this has so much depth and gloss. I can zoom in on that bumper area. You can see the trees. It took a good full day to do everything. Coated it twice for extra protection. Did the badges. All the trim. So there you have it, a brand new 2020 LT1. By the way, this has a Corvette motor. This is a badass car. So this is Tom from Big Tom's Detailing. Check us out online at bigtomsdetailing.com or on Facebook and Instagram. Always have pictures and videos of things I do up there. Little tips and tricks for everybody out there who does it on your own. Alright guys, I'm going to enjoy my rainy afternoon here and have a great day.